This is the trim to fit WeatherTech cargo liner for my 2007 Subaru Outback XT. It's the turbocharged EJ255 motor. Not that that matters. This fits for the third generation Outbacks. Uh, so it has these little grid squares. I suggest before you trim with a pair of good scissors, you see how it lays in your trunk, and you just X out with a magic marker on your little grids and you cut out what's gone. Now, if I pulled this farther up, I didn't have as much coverage here on the seam, so you kind of have to figure what is important to you. I kept a little overlap here, so when I roll in like lawn mowers or something, or a snow blower, it won't run against that wheel hub felt thingy. But that's about as close as I can get it to the back without sacrificing that gap up there. So that does bother me a little bit, but I mean, you do have this raised area. I suppose it'll be all right. I'm still put down a tarp. Um, but overall, I felt it was worth it. It came really quick in the mail, like everything from WeatherTech, and it's made here in the great old US of A.